Hey guys, it's me, Kylie. I am coming to you with a new unboxing today. I'm super excited about it. I'm in a little different angle today in my bedroom. I just kind of wanted to switch it up a little bit. Normally I'm recording here at my vanity, my makeup vanity, and you're getting a different view. So today you get a new view. Just thought I'd switch it up a little bit. I am doing the unboxing. If you watched my video from a couple days ago, I had to turn in my Melie, my Louis Vuitton Melie, because it was considered defective. There's a whole video about it. I will go ahead and link that in the description box as well as up above if you're interested in checking that out, what happened. And I did also include pictures there of what the problems were. So I was able to, with my awesome SA, who I absolutely adore, go in and exchange it. I could either exchange it for the same bag or a bag of equal or more value. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what I got. Okay guys, so here is the lovely Louis Vuitton bag that it came in. They are out of the big bags from the holiday, but they still have the holiday wrapping, which I will show you in just a moment. Okay, so here we have the big, beautiful packaging. It's a big, huge box, and I'm just excited to show you guys what I picked up to exchange out the Melie. Is it another Melie? Is it a different bag? We will have to see. So I'm just gonna slip. This is one of the magnetic boxes, magnetic closed boxes. So I'm gonna go ahead and just slip the beautiful ribbon off and open it up here for you. Oh, I got a drawstring bag. I have not gotten a drawstring bag yet, so that's exciting. So there she is, and it's really big, so I'm gonna set it down and pull it out. So what do you think I did, guys? Do you think I went with another Melie? Do you think I got something completely different? I'd love to know what your guesses are in the comments, and I will go ahead and get this opened up. So I'm excited to have a drawstring bag. I hear that they keep a little bit nicer just because the flap can, not that this baby is going in storage, I'm using this puppy, but when one day my collection is big enough that I have multiple bags that I just change out all the time, it will be nice to have a drawstring bag to kind of close it up. This was a bag, let me just tell you this really quick. I know you want to get into it and I will not blab on, but this was a bag that I looked at online and I really didn't think I was going to like. I would always suggest, if you have a boutique near you, when you're going to invest a lot of money like that, to go in and try them on and check them out. There were three bags in there actually that I was like, I would never get that. I don't like that. That's not my style. That are now on my radar, that are now on my wish list. So let's go ahead and show you what I got. To reveal the beautiful Artsy. I am so excited about this bag, you guys. It is gorgeous. It is absolutely gorgeous. So my heart was with my Melie, but I was really concerned about having the same issue. I know several people have had that issue in my Facebook Louis Vuitton group. A lot of girls said they had the same issue with the same bag, so I just didn't want to have to go through that again. And then be heartbroken again. So I chose a completely different bag, and it is this gorgeous girl right here. It is the Artsy, I believe it's MM. I don't think there's different sizes anymore, but it has a beautiful untreated leather, the vachetta, which is braided, and I believe there's like cork or something inside. It's a very lightweight handle. I really like this handle. It has absolutely gorgeous, I'm gonna stand up so you can see this, hopefully with the lighting. The gold brass hardware all over it. And it does come with this another leather, untreated leather strap with a key ring and a claw clip on it. And I am just absolutely in love. This was a bag that I totally was like, I don't think that's, I'm a hobo girl. Let me get you right now. Like, I totally love hobo bags. I love shoulder bags, but I was like, it's just not my style. This baby, when I put her on, I was like, oh, I love her. She's huge. She is ginormous. I don't have the dimensions, but I will include them in the description. And the inside is really what sold me, you guys. The inside is absolutely gorgeous. So here is the information if you're interested. Hopefully you can read that. This is with the new pricing. I went in the day of the price increase to exchange my bag. And luckily, my SA, who was amazing, I was supposed to go in the day before, but she was off, so she did not make me pay the increased charge. They were this bag and the Melie are the exact same price. They increased to the same price and they were the same price before, so she just did an even swap. So that was super nice. The interior of this bag is amazing. It is the microfiber, suede-y kind of microfiber, the same as what my, hopefully you can see in there, what my Melie was, but my Melie was a plum color, and I loved that this was a light color. So when I go in here to grab things out, I can see what I'm going to get. There's also 6 pockets in here, which I think is awesome. There's 3 on each side. I will include some better pictures if I can get some better pictures. This was not made in France, which I was kind of a little sad, but it is what it is. I love the bag, so I'm not gonna stress about it. My Melie was made in France, but she isn't, and I'm okay with that because it's a bag and I love her and she's still beautiful. So this also has feet on the bottom, just like the Melie did. But I love that it has the cross stitch here, which kind of helps keep its shape. But my favorite thing about a hobo is that it's just slouchy and it doesn't have a ton of structure. It has the beautiful pleating on each side. And this bag is huge. I actually was looking for a toiletry 26 when I went in. They didn't have one in store, but they did have one in the men's line. The, what is it? The noir, the black. I can't think of what they call it. I don't think it's noir, but, and it fit in here perfectly. Like I could put a 26 in here and still have tons of room. A toiletry 26, which is awesome. I have the toiletry 19. The date code is down here in the corner, which I don't think you're gonna be able to see. There is a D-ring, and also there is a zip pocket on the back side. So with the nice gold hardware, that mine still has the little plastic tape stuff around it so that it doesn't get scratched up. So I'm just thrilled with this bag, you guys. I think she's so cute. Let me put it on the right arm before I do this. Like, how adorable is that? Like, I just love her. She's so cute. I was worried that it was going to be one that kind of slips off your shoulder. She doesn't at all. I wore her around the store. When I went in to pick this up, I went in and it was completely empty. Like I was the only customer there, so it was nice. I got to do, my essay always shows me everything I want anyways, but there was no kind of rush. I wasn't worried that I was holding someone else up because I was taking so long to choose. The other bags I tried were another Melie, but I looked at the corners and I just was concerned that I was gonna have the same issue as before. I also looked at the Duomo Hobo, which only comes in the Dami Ben, which I love, but I just fell in love with this. Like I wanted the monogram. I would definitely consider the Duomo Hobo in the future. It is gorgeous. The red interior is stunning. The gold detail is stunning, but I just thought this is so classic. I love this bag. I love it. I can't wait to put my stuff in it. I can't wait to try it out. I will definitely do a what fits in this bag for you guys. There is so much room. Oh my gosh. And I love the microfiber. I wish they did all the bags with the microfiber. I know it makes them a little bit more expensive, but I just think that it's such a nice touch to me. The inside of like the Duomo Hobo, I love the red, but I wish it was microfiber. Like to me, that's just makes the bag a little bit nicer. So anyways, I am so excited. Thank you guys so much for watching. I would love to know what you think of this bag. If you have this bag, how you like it, how it's worked for you. And just, you know, I love hearing from you guys. So I appreciate you so much. Thank you for watching. Here's the new beauty, and I can't wait to try her out and show her to you guys later. So thanks for watching. This is Kylie. Bye.